Why do cats land on their feet? When a cat jumps or falls from a high place, it uses either its side or its vestibular apparatus, that is a balance system located in the inner ear, to determine up from down, and then rotates its upper body to face downward. His body reflexively corrects its course so that by the time he arrives on the ground, his feet are on position to hit first. The height of a cat fall determines how or poorly his leg can absorb the shock of landing. They are born with flexible backbones that permits the course correction while falling. Cats also have 30 vertebrae, which contributes to their gracefulness. Humans only have 24. Seen in slow motion, a falling cat begins to shift his balance from the second his flight begins. His body determines which side should be up, and he begins rotating his head, directed by his eyes and ears, until he is facing that way. A falling cat is less like an airplane and more like a parachute, as his body arranges itself to the falling motion. It relaxes and spreads out for the landing ahead. However, your cat still needs to be protected from the risk of falling. If you have some open windows in your high-rise apartment or upstairs in your house, be sure they are properly screened. Falling cats sometimes suffer injuries, and not all the cats survive falls. For example, older ones and too fat ones.